And we are here in nature, searching for the black recluse spider. We have searched day and night. But what is that? Have we found the black recluse? Let's take a closer look. What? Look, it's Indian village. We are here live with Indians. Right, dog. We are gonna find the most famous spider of them all. We are gonna find the black recluse. Right, please stop. This. Oh, okay. Just wondering what she was doing. We are going to see if we can find the black recluse spider. But looking there, it's a tree sapling. We have found here all these trees sapling. Look now. As we hunt started. Looks like a far footage away, but it is really not. You see it right there. It's a rare spider. It is a rare spider plant. Something just there in the woods. Yes, folks. People have built their houses in the woods. Mine, that is a nature sound. And it has indeed many spiders now. We only have one solution. We need to pull these leaves apart. Gosh. Watch here, as we can see the black recluse spider. Now look at it looks like as a leaf. What is it? Just keep on watching, okay? Look at this. The black recluse spider has laid eggs. And now it has been here for days now. Look at its babies. But where is the black recluse spider? Do you see this up here? That is it. The black recluse spider is a giant poisonous spider. If it bites you in one bite, it would eat your food, would eat your soul. Indians have thought that black recluses are good spiders. But they are not. They are horrible ones. Now, as we go in live to check out the new footage of black recluse sightings, you see all these leaves around here. It is from the black recluse spider. It's our only hope to find it. But if we look closer, it left one of its footprints. There. Is it? Ryan, please do not give my shot. I found black recluse. Ryan, everyone knows that that is not a snake. Oh, look at this. Look at this, folks. Right, put your... This is my friend, Maya. Oops, I got her fixed. Maya, everyone knows that it's you making all the noise. This is Maya, I'm not kidding. This is important. This is my friend Maya. She's also an expert at finding spiders. Look, she has found one. Maya, show me where you found the spider. The giant black recluse. Seems like you know where it is. I'm just taking a film about that.
It was right here.
Look at the... Hold on, Maya, step back real quick. I'm going to get closer footage of it.
It was like right here.
Good. Put your head right there. Put your head right there.
So it was right here.
There you have it, folks. That is Pterosaurus.
And it was huge like this. Had its like...
Maya, go over there real quick and show us some more. Maya, show it. No, like it's there. Okay, just say something interesting about spiders and how they, and the giant black recluse spider that was alive in Indian days. Maya, have you got more footage of the black recluse sightings?
Oh, yes.
Okay, show it to me. Is it in there? Okay. You see here, folks. Maya is an expert at spiders.
And there's more spiders, like when you see openings like that.
You hear that, folks? The giant black recluse spider can lay up to 2 million eggs per day.
Can change to any kind of, different kind of sizes.
Maya, shh. Yes, you hear. We are being hunted by the giant black recluse baby. We must go before they catch us. We will videotape them. Maya, put these together and we'll pretend like it's a baby black recluse. We are now going up to break. Have you ever wondered what these things are about?
Sorry.
My butt!
Sorry.
It's okay. Have you ever wondered where the giant black recluse spider is? Hey, Dylan, I'm videotaping some stuff. It's just right here. We are back to the show. Maya, the last time we was on the show, show us where you found. The last time we was on the show, we have found baby black recluse. Don't get that close to me, Maya. There is a baby black recluse. If you ever see an spider like that, that is the baby black recluse. Now, as a baby,
What's the fox say?
Now, as a baby black recluse spider, he's going off somewhere to hunt. We will get some tree footage of it. Wait, you stay down there, over there. I'm gonna get the tree footage of it. Ew, look. Footage in the tree. We're in the tree, boy, camera. Maya, I just had a great idea. We can camera large on stuff. Maya, get in. The black recluse spider is coming for us. Don't worry. Maya, stop. The black recluse spider is here. Now, as we will videotape. Maya's coming after us! Maya's coming after us! Get on!
It really is?
No, I'm just bragging to make drama. Ah! We have now escaped the black recluse spider.
Yeah? Finding
there. The footage of the black recluse spider. We'll have to wait soon because we are going to take it nice and recap it. We'll find it there. And I'm going to insert you in there. And now we have spotted Bigfoot. Right there is Bigfoot walking into its cave. There is Bigfoot. The signs will have to wait. I'll come back to you after this footage.